Hi there, Doug Stuman with IT Creations with the Supermicro Storage A Server 2015S-E1CR24L. This is a front-loading and top-loading storage server with 12 3.5-inch SAS 3 and SATA 3 storage bays in front and 12 more in a pop-up carrier in the mid-tray. Outfitted with a single AMD EPYC 9005 or 9004 series processor, this system is designed for use as an enterprise server, high-performance computing, and general data center applications. But with all that storage, can also be used for corporate database processing, and storage plus iSCSI storage area networks. Let's get to it. Kind of like Volkswagen's new camper van with a little pop-up top for extra room, the Supermicro Storage A Server 2015S-E1CR24L also has a pop top for extra storage. Maybe not much to look at, and I'm talking about the car, but it does have the goods where it counts. The 2015S-E1 also has it where it counts with extra storage. It's quite clever design to maximize storage on a 2U chassis. Still looks like a server though, and with that A+ in the name, we know it has an AMD EPYC processor that will kick it up a notch. Looking at the front of the server, you can see the 12 front storage bays, but there's also a Wii control panel on the left server here. It features a power on button, unit ID button, LEDs for power, NIC LAN 2, power fail LED, drive activity LED, NIC LAN 1, and information. Around back, there are 3 configuration options to choose from based on additional storage. All of them have dual 1+1 redundant 1600 watt titanium level PSUs on the left. Also standard on all 3 chassis configurations is a vertical 2.5-inch drive cage with 2 SATA drive bays. Are you interested in the Supermicro Storage A Server 2015S-E1CR24L? If you are, then for a limited time you can save up to $500 off the purchase price of a system that's listed or one that you can configure at IT Creations that's valued at $5,000 or more. Just click that link to learn more, and when you're ready to make a purchase, just mention this video. No, you're probably not going to be able to take it camping. The standard configuration has 6 PCIe 5.0 slots with 4x16 slots and 2x8 slots, all full height, half length. There are also 2 advanced I/O module slots, aka OCP 3.0 compatible mezzanine card slots, to either side of the I/O panel. The next option, let's call it B, takes up 2 of those PCIe slots to the left with another drive cage that can be outfitted with 2.5-inch U.2 NVMe drives. Option C takes up 2 more PCI riser slots on the top right for another 2.5-inch U.2 NVMe drive cage. All in, that's 30 drive bays total when including the 6 rear storage bays plus the 12 front and 12 pop-up mid-tray storage bays. Those storage bays will take out 2 PCI slots for option B and 4 PCI slots for option C. The I/O panel in the middle is common for all configurations and features a VGA port, that blue one on the bottom left, an integrated platform management interface or IPMI port, with 2 USB ports below and a COM port beside those. This system is not compatible with GPUs. That dedicated RJ45 IPMI port on the back of the system provides access to the Integrated Baseboard Management Controller or BMC. Management of the Supermicro 2015S-E1CR24L is either through third-party options compatible with the Integrated Platform Management Interface or through a suite of Supermicro software options. Supermicro's management tools include SuperCloud Composer, SuperDoctor 5.0 or SD5, the Supermicro Update Manager or SUM, and the Supermicro Server Manager or SSM, to name a few. SuperCloud Composer delivers a software-defined composable infrastructure for an agile cloud-like environment. It also provides complete monitoring of all IT systems and has a liquid cooling module, LCCM, to monitor physical assets and sensor data from cooling distribution units. Removing the cover panels, you can see the main components. 2 large risers in back, which I should mention in all configurations there is a SAS storage controller taking up one of the available PCI slots. Not surprising given the dense storage. Oh, and if you do go with NVMe drive types in the 2 other configurations, you will need additional parts, definitely the storage riser kit. The motherboard with OCP mezzanine cards right underneath the risers, then a bank of 4 large 8cm fans behind the mid-tray storage, then another backplane for the front storage. Once the risers are removed, you can get a look at the motherboard. It has 2 slots for M.2 NVMe storage drives, which can be used to boot the system in a mirror RAID or for additional super fast storage. I will mention that there's another system in this family, the 2015S-E1CR24H. From what I can tell, the only difference is that our system, the E1CR24L, supports an HBA controller via a Broadcom S3808. Meanwhile, the E1CR24H includes a Broadcom S3908 for hardware RAID. That's it. Originally, the system supported only an AMD EPYC 9004 series CPU. To make it compatible with 9005 series CPUs requires board revision 2.0. If you do want to install 9005 series CPUs, lead with that when considering a system. It's not like you have to install the board yourself. I will mention that CPUs are limited to a thermal design power range of 200 watts to 290 watts, which will limit the supported processor cores to up to 84 cores and 168 virtual threads. Keep in mind that 9004 series CPUs can provide up to 128 cores and 9005 series CPUs up to 192 cores. But this is more of a storage server, and all those bays do affect thermals. Both processor series have 12 memory channel architecture, and with only 12 DDR5 DIMM slots, each memory module has full bandwidth to run at the top supported memory speed, at least for this platform. Using 9004 series CPUs, memory capacity is listed at 3 terabytes DDR5 RDIMMs with memory speeds of up to 4,800 megatransfers per second. Using 9005 series AMD EPYC CPUs, up to 4.5 terabytes of registered DDR5 DIMM modules can be installed, offering faster memory speeds of up to 6,000 megatransfers per second. Yes, that speed is less than the 6,400 megatransfers per second the 9005 series CPUs are capable of delivering. That's either by design or by limitation of the motherboard, as it was originally designed for the 9004 series, which perhaps was slightly tweaked to accommodate the 9005 series CPUs. There's no knowing at this point. I do hope you enjoyed this review of the Supermicro Storage A Server 2015S-E1CR24L. Also offering support for appliance-optimized storage building blocks, this platform can be adapted to support a number of workloads. If you have any questions on this platform or any other, leave a comment below. If you're interested in learning more about this platform, then I placed a few links in the description below, or you can hit that link right there. itcreations.com. Until next time, I'm Doug Stuman with IT Creations, and thanks for watching.